Prakash here with another video. I am very happy to see your smiling faces. So let's go into the video. Before I tell the topic, okay, what's the topic? Why are you speaking very obnoxiously? Many will ask. So I am saying I am boosted up a little bit, so I am like this. Okay, so what's the topic? Today's topic is like, what is compression, how to compress and why should we compress, and all the stuff I will cover in this video. So let's go into the video. So in this video, as I said, we will see what's compression. So compression is a type of software in which we can support our folders with, like we can make it a bit of compressed. Many people are out there who say 60 GB can be converted into 6 MB. I saw a video, so I am doing this video because a person told like you can download GTA 5 in 6 MB. I was like literally shocked because it is impossible. That person is making video with the proof he is saying. So I went into that video and he was like saying download this software and download this file from this software, so you will get the GTA 5 in 6 MB, which is not possible. Not yet, because neither will be ever be possible, because I will say why. Because the compression works like this. If you have 8 zeros or 9 zeros, okay, it will write 0 to the power 9 or 0 to power 8, okay, on the companion on their number. Like if you have 8 zeros, it will write power to 8. It will have if we having 9, it will write 9. So if we have ones, like computer talks in 1 and zeros. So 1 if we write and to the power 2, it is having it seems like it is having 2 of ones. So it compresses like this. So there is no possibility for compressing very much less, like 6 MB to 60 GB to 6 MB. It is not possible, because I have like if you take a photo, I am very active in Instagram. I put everyday photos, so go follow it. So I take for Instagram photos, many photos. So I see like I have 16 MB. So if I gradually compressed it, like it went to like 10 MB, 8 MB and 6 MB, like that it will go. So if a photo of 15 MB can't reach 1 MB, so it is not possible for people to say 60 GB game can reach 6 MB. It is not possible. Don't try to click that thing, because it made me a problem. Like my laptop was literally hanging, and it was not like mouse is also not moving. My laptop is pretty good. It is specs wise is very best. It is not best, it is good for work. So it was hanged up of this, like it was like Trojan horse, like it went into my computer, and everything came out like stupidest software I have ever seen. Like everything was installed, so it is very problematic. So I am here to say not to install like this. The compression thing, like it is a algorithm, like raw comes and zip raw, and many softwares are there to do this. They are having different, like the background, like it is having, the extension is different, but the work is same. Okay, so we are not until that level to go and like give you like 60 GB to 6 MB, so it is not possible. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I do many videos in this channel, so subscribe this channel, share this video. Tada, bye bye, see you, peace, see you next time.